guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my first impressions, last demo of the new Huda Beauty Mini Obsessions Face Palette. First things first, if you like to watch makeup reviews or first impressions of new makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos, and also don't forget to thumbs up this video. Now let's go get started. I have the Light Glow Obsession. So she came out with 3 shades. Let me check out the website right now. So they retail for $29. So I have this shade, and like I mentioned a few seconds ago, light, which is for fair to medium skin tones. Medium for, she also has the medium for medium to tan skin tones, and then rich for tan to rich skin tones. So they retail for $29, and they are new formula from Huda Beauty. I do not have the original palette, so it's like $40 each, so $29 way cheaper. But I think those are like made in Italy. The minis are made in China, like her Mini Obsessions palettes. I'm actually wearing the Mini Obsessions on the eyes. Sorry. On the eyes today, I'm wearing the brown toffee. I really like this formulation better than the other one. So I'm gonna read the details about this, because a lot of people, saying that this packaging looks really creepy, but I personally do not find the packaging creepy at all. I don't really care. It actually looks really nice. I don't find the packaging creepy at all. I mean, we all have different opinions with everything, but I personally do not find this packaging creepy, or I'm just like weird. So let's go read, or I'm gonna read the details. A highly pigmented mini face palette that features 4 flattering shades to blush, low light, and highlight your way to a golden hour glow. Shh. So about the noise. It's cruelty free. This palette uses a creamy yet lightweight texture that blends seamlessly upon application to create a subtle sheen or defining dewy shimmer to accentuate your key features. It is non-powdery. Shades are ultra wearable and buildable and can be used where. Shh. Sorry about that noise, guys. My daughters are here. Okay, you want a summer glow including face, lips, lids, and décolletage. The palette is also packed with vitamin E and up to 50% ultra fine pearls, so you'll be left with radiant, healthy looking complexion. It has this huge mirror, not huge, but good size mirror, and I really like the mini size. Really good, like for somebody who are not into collecting highlighters like myself. I don't collect highlighters, so yeah. These are really good size. Wearing highlighter on my face right now. I look dewy because I'm wearing a dewy, like a liquid blush from Say Beauty. So no, not wearing highlighter on my face. So I'm gonna use this shade. This one is like a second, like darker than this one. So I am also using the Wet n Wild brush. Okay, here's the highlighter, guys, and doesn't look powdery. I do not like powdery highlighters, like cakey highlighters. This is really like glow from within with a little bit of oomph on my face. Oh, that's not bad. Okay, so next I'll be using this, I think, lighter shade, I guess. I'm just gonna flip it on the other side. And there you go, guys. It doesn't look powdery at all, almost like a cream to powder formula. And this is pretty. You see the reflective, like shiny, looks really shiny on both sides. Very impressed so far. And then I'm gonna use this darker shade. Then I'm gonna apply this one on my side. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, that's, oh sorry. You can see, I don't know if you see, looks really nice. Oh, that's not bad. and I'm gonna apply on my left side. Oh wow, that's actually really nice. And then next, I'm gonna be applying this pink shade, and it's on my nose area, on my nose bridge. Alright, so I'm gonna apply a little bit of this pink again. And you can see, guys, oh my god, this is so pretty. So I'm gonna go outside. Also I'm gonna show you guys in natural lighting, because I mean I'm using artificial lighting right now. My goodness, they look really, all the colors, not colors, but all the highlighters, they melted into my skin. They don't look, you know, cakey, powdery, because I do not like cakey, powdery highlighters. Oh my goodness, they look really pretty. Oh wow, I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of this pink, maybe right here on my inner corners. And yeah, although I'm already wearing one. Guys, I have to say, okay, I am very impressed with this, guys. I did not expect anything because I never tried her original ones, just like $40 each. So I didn't expect anything for with the minis, but I am very impressed. They, everything melted into my skin. They almost like feel like cream to powder formula, which I did not expect anything at all. And I'm very happy with the highlighters. All the shades performed beautifully on my face. They didn't look not patchy, but cakey, powdery, because you know I do not like powdery, cakey highlighters. Like they mentioned the details or product information. Like cream to powder, not cakey, non powdery look, and everything is true, guys. I'm very happy with the Mini Obsessions face palette. Highly recommend. $29, perfect for somebody, you know, oh, you can, don't collect highlighters or don't use highlighters all the time. It's only $29, perform really nice. So I highly recommend this one. I do not find I do not find the packaging creepy at all. I actually really like the packaging. So those are all my thoughts about the Mini Obsessions face palette, and this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys on my next video.